Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. Today's Nerf Gun review is going to be on the AccuStrike series QuadRant. This was on like some sort of clearance or rollback at Walmart. Picked it up for $8, and I'm thoroughly impressed by its performance. Even though these AccuStrike darts don't really go that far, they sure as hell is accurate. So, just judging right off the bat, this is a rotating 4-cylinder barrel that will shoot 4 AccuStrike darts, not at once, but at one at a time. The priming handle, or the priming mechanism, is kind of weird, seeing that I was expecting it to be kind of like flat like this, but instead you have to prime it like it's sideways a bit. What was I going to say? It has a tactical rail, which is not important, just cosmetics. Shoots 4 darts one at a time, or can hold 4 darts, but shoots one at a time. The barrel revolves every time you kind of pull this back, but you can cheat the system by rotating it a couple of times before priming it. That's the thing I found out about it. Now, as far as performance goes, like I said, I can't do range tests at the moment. But when I have a tape measure and enough time to do it, I will do some range tests. But its firepower, let's find that out. Firepower is pretty weak. And for $7, I think it could be modified, and if there is an error, like I screw something up with a modification, it's $7. I can just buy another one. It's not like $30 or $40 where it's kind of like, I don't want to make a mistake. So let's see. It has the same system as like a Spectre, as is what a Nerf Spectre or a Strong Arm, or even hell, even some of the older Mavericks. Has this little tooth that kind of like, as it plops into the next barrel, it looks like a tiny little tooth, and it reminded me of the Spectre and the Mavericks and the what was the other one? Strong Arm and Disruptors and whatnot. Those types of pistols that do that. And I guess I'll just go over my basic routine about this QuadRant gun. The grip, and also the grip on the gun, the trigger is nice and smooth, and the grip on the gun is pretty nice. It has a clip thing here, which is cosmetics. So let's, like I said, I was going to go over my my daily routine of how I do a Nerf gun review. So the ammo capacity comes with 4 darts, holds 4 darts, but only shoots one at a time. That's iffy on my part. It would seem okay, but I don't know, like, it shoots one at a time. It only holds 4. The Maverick holds 6. Disruptor holds 6. The Spectre holds 5. Why does this one have 4? And the darts aren't even really that good to begin with. Now, if I were using something different, like Race Squad darts, which I actually have behind me somewhere, if I can find them, these are closer, or almost exactly, like the AccuStrike darts here. So, if I were to do just a basic firing test to see if this would work with different types of darts, so bounce back, some. Try the next one with the Race Squad dart. Same size, same style, just different colors and different maker. Same power. Try one more for good measure. Okay, maybe a little bit. So the firepower is pretty good. The ranges are pretty good. If I had to guess. Like I said, I can't do range tests at the moment. I don't have a tape measure or all the right supplies to do it. The ammo capacity is iffy. Rate of fire is depending on how fast you can do that. 4 times. Reload time is fairly simple and pretty much a breeze. You just throw 4 darts in, and then you have to rotate it once. That was the that was the part I didn't like, was you have to rotate it once just to get that last dart in. Because you can get this, and this, but you can't get that bottom one. So you gotta rotate the barrel once to put it into place. What else? It kind of has the same style as the hammer shot. This little peg here that holds the barrel and keep it rotating. That's pretty cool. Nice how they added that in. Specialty on this gun. So it's a 4-shot revolver. Maybe it hasn't existed in a while or at all in the Nerf industry. I guess that's the only specialty on this gun, and the weird priming mechanism that I'm still not used to. And what I mean is the style of how you have to put one finger here and one finger here in that hole instead of being it sideways, kind of thing. Reload time's easy. Ranges are NA right now. Firepower, accuracy. The accuracy, if I can remember. Oh, and if you see me sweating right now, it's currently 80 degrees or more in this room. The mini split for AC has been broken for about a couple of days. I don't know why I'm still up here. Heat rises naturally to the ceiling and higher up surfaces, so I'm pretty much what you may call screwed if I continue doing this Nerf gun review. Anyway, accuracy. So, what's a good accuracy? I'm going to aim for the light switch. Oh, that was pretty close. Let's try that again. Oh, whoops. Alright, so even though the AccuStrike darts suck at ranges and firepower, their accuracy just blows me away at like a 10-foot, maybe like an 8-foot distance. But at the same time, if it were further away, if I could, I need to grab 2 more darts. So let's grab this one and this one that just happens to be right there. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing, same distance, but I'm going to do it further. I'm going to aim for the doorknob. This is about 20 feet away. Still pretty accurate. Again, still pretty accurate. Okay, so you know these AccuStrike darts suck at ranges, suck at firepower. They still do. They are pretty accurate for the most part. Let's see. I know there was one other thing I had to say, but I don't remember what it was, and it's gonna have to wait. So, without further ado, I'm gonna end the review here. The pros. I would say the cons have kind of out. It's kind of like it's iffy right now. I'm still trying to think of a score to give this from a scale 1 to 10. 1 being really bad, 10 being like the most perfect thing in the world. Although that's just my opinion. I'd honestly say if you use regular darts with this would be an awesome gun, and you can use different types of darts. The race squad darts, for example, is what I use for like other different types of blasters. Some may not work with the race squad and so forth and vice versa, but still, it's a pretty nice gun. If there's a modification for this, I would probably do it, just to increase the performance and see if I can get some sort of distance out of it. That doesn't involve like with my guesstimate of like 40-50 feet. I'll see if this thing could go a little bit further than that. Like 40-50 feet is my guesstimate of how this gun would perform for just a flat range, not an angle. But anyway, I give this for $7. You can't beat the price, but there are some cons to it. So you pretty much pay what you get, or you get what you pay for. Let's give it I'm gonna give it 8. I'm gonna give it 7.5 out of 10. And the reasons why are, for the price, it's a good gun. It has modification capabilities, or compatible or something. But at the same time, if it's just by itself, no modifications, it sucks a little bit. But on the other side, if you do have like elite darts or race squad darts or any type of darts that aren't AccuStrike darts, these would work out pretty well with this gun. And if, like I said, if it can be modified to shoot better, I would do it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today on the QuadRant AccuStrike Series Nerf Gun Review. And yeah, 7.5 out of 10. I only recommend it because it's just because of the price and how it performs. So see you guys later. Have a good day and stay cool. Stay nice and cool. It is really hot in this room and I gotta take a break. See you guys later.